Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting your data. Back up to iCloud or a computer now because removing a beta can require restores. Once backed up, open Settings, tap General, then VPN and Device Management. You should see an iOS beta software profile. Tap it. Make sure you read the profile name so you remove the correct item. This first action stops future beta updates from arriving. After removal, you'll still remain on the beta until you install a release or restore from backup. So continue to the next steps. Tap Remove Profile, confirm, and enter your device passcode. This deletes the configuration that enrolled you in beta updates. Once removed, restart the iPhone to ensure system services reload without the beta enrollment. Make sure to check Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Software Update after reboot. You may not see a release immediately because betas and releases have different signing windows. If you want to leave the beta immediately, you may need to restore the phone using a saved backup and the latest public IPSWA via Finder. To finish, decide whether to wait for the next public update or perform a full restore. If you stay on beta accidentally, restore from your backup using Finder or iTunes and the latest public iOS. This replaces beta firmware. For a guaranteed downgrade, use recovery mode and assigned IPSWA, which wipes device. Only do this if you understand data loss risks. If you run into errors, retry the restore steps and ensure you have the correct IPSWA. Contact Apple support if problems persist or the device won't exit beta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.